How to amend tax returns on FreeTaxUSA. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can amend your tax return on FreeTaxUSA. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open any web browser and go to freetaxusa.com. And once you are on the site, simply click on Start 2024 Return. And on the next page, you can click Create New Account and follow the steps to sign up. Or you can simply enter your username and password and then simply click on Sign In. And once you are logged in, find the tax return you want to amend. This could be your current or a previous year return. Click on the option to amend a return or file an amendment and then select the correct tax year. And after that, FreeTaxUSA will guide you through the process of editing your return. You can make changes to details like income, deduction and credit, and personal information. So carefully enter the new information and ensure everything is accurate. And after making the changes, you need to review your amended returns to ensure accuracy. So double check that all edits have been saved correctly. If you own any additional taxes, FreeTaxUSA will provide payments option. And if you are due a larger refund, follow the prompts to claim it. And once you are satisfied, follow the on-screen instructions to submit your amended tax return. And after submission, FreeTaxUSA will send you a confirmation. So make sure to save a copy of your amended return and any supporting documents for your records. And if you run into any issue, you can always reach out to the FreeTaxUSA customer support for assistance. And that's it. Now you know how to amend your tax return on FreeTaxUSA. If this guide helped you out, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.